Hello, I am Jill at Pixie Cup. We are a small family-owned business. My brother and sister started this company in 2016. And a year later, in 2017, they started a buy one, give one program, which means that anytime you purchase a Pixie Cup, one is given to a woman in need. Not only this, but we have great customer service. Just read any of our reviews. We have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you buy one of our products and you don't like it, we'll either issue you a refund or send you a new one. If you're a fan of small businesses and of this brand, please consider following and subscribing to this channel. The very first thing you do when you get your menstrual cup is to sterilize it. You can do this in a big pot of boiling water. I just recommend that you put your menstrual cup in a whisk so that it doesn't touch the edges of the pan and end up looking like this. You can also purchase a steamer or a sterilizer. This is the Jenny sterilizer by Pixie Cup, and it will either boil or steam your cup in a matter of minutes. Now you only have to sterilize your cup at the beginning of your period. Sterilize it once, and in between uses you can wash it with our Pixie Foam Wash, which is an all-natural wash that's going to be safe for you and your cup. When inserting a menstrual cup, I like to use a water-based lubricant. This just makes insertion painless and so much easier. To apply the lube, you'll just want to add a little dot on the rim of the cup and then smear with your finger. There are several different folds you can use, but we like to stick with these two. The punch down and the C fold are going to be the most common, but make sure that you use both to see which one works better for you. If you use the punch down, take your index finger and simply punch down the cup to make almost a triangle looking figure. This fold has a smaller point of insertion, which might be helpful for some. With the C fold, squish the cup in half to make a C or U shape. This fold makes it easier for the cup to fully open. When inserting your menstrual cup, don't point it straight up, instead angle it back towards your tailbone. After you have inserted your cup, you're gonna wanna check for fold. You can run your finger around the rim of the cup, and if you find a fold, try grabbing the base, wiggling it until it fully opens, or sometimes it's best just to completely remove your cup and try again with a new fold. Now, if you have tried everything, you've tried squatting in the shower, you've tried one leg up on the counter, you've tried lube, different folds, and it's just not popping open for you, you might need a smaller size. Keep in mind that if your cup does not fully open, you will have leaks. When removing your menstrual cup, try to relax. The tighter those muscles are, the harder it's going to be to remove, and the further up it's going to climb. It can be helpful to be in a squatting position in the shower or have one leg up on the counter. This sometimes does make removal easier as it brings the cup lower. Another tip, don't pull on the stem to remove. Instead, pinch the base and break that seal, then remove your cup. If you find your cup very difficult to reach, then it might be time to consider a longer or larger cup. If you find that the stem is causing you any type of discomfort or poking you or even sticking out, you can always trim the stem, or you can turn the cup inside out. However, if you're not comfortable with the idea of not having a stem, you can size down. If you experience pain or discomfort while using your cup, or maybe there's a pressure on your bladder and it's hard to pee, this is a sign that your cup is too big and you should size down. If you're looking for a cup that will fit you, then take our Pixie Cup quiz. It only asks 8 questions, and it's going to give you one of our recommended cups or discs. It will also give you a discount code, so you don't want to miss out on this. We also have a variety of different period products, like our thermal belts that are very new that help with period pain. We also have menstrual discs. So please check out our shop and see if there's anything that's going to make your period a little bit easier.